for little birdies that keep jumping right there and right up here making, I don't know what they're doing. A little squirrel over there on top of the wood pile right there. He's doing something in my truck too. These little squirrels and these little birdies, I'm just recording what they're doing. It's putting something in my front tire, my passenger side front tire. Little squirrels and two little birdies are putting something up inside my tire, inside the brake caliper. Just the passenger side front. But they're working together is what's so odd. That little birdie over there, that little squirrel, and the one up under there. I'm trying to stand real still so it'll come back. There's three little birds and one little squirrel, chipmunk. I don't know how long they've been doing that. I haven't driven the truck for a couple days. I'll have to get up under there and see what they're doing to that tire.